Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a contact on Redmi 14C. To create a contact, go to Phone app, then make sure you are in Contacts tab here, and on the very top of your contacts you can click on Create New Contact. Then you can choose where to save the contact. You can save it to Google Contacts, to your SIM card, or to your device. I'm gonna save it to Google Contacts on this Google account. Then you can add a picture of the contact. I'm gonna take the picture now. Click here, then choose OK. You can set the first name of the contact. You can add surname, company, phone number. When you add one, then another field for phone number is created, so you can add more and more. And you can choose a label. You can also add emails and significant dates, or click on more fields to show more, or create your own field. Then tap on save. And now the contact has been saved here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.